Hello everyone, welcome to Good Earnings. Again today, there is a fall today. Again on consecutive days, in the last 6 days, we can see a fall, right? Today also it's 0.44% fall here. And today's session, whole day, it is completely volatile here. Okay. And everyone, every person there in mind, they have a doubt that what market is going here, why it is falling. It has what is the future of this market? It can fall completely from here, and what happens? Our investors might lose whole money, right? Your mind might be working in that way, right? I want to answer for that. Uh, there is a no chance that Nifty can fall totally from here. You won't get lose the whole invested money from here. I want to say that you can be you are in safe hand. You are don't worry. The market can fall further, but at last you don't go to the zero. Okay. Again, the market will go up for sure. And why market is falling from here? I want to say you already discussed in last videos. For new members, I want to say you as we can see in worldwide, in all countries, inflation is rising here in every month. Mainly in US, we can see almost a 40-year high inflation. And India, we are recovering a little bit. Comparing to April month, in May month, inflation is much lower. Okay, it is a good sign for us. And due to this inflation, almost all countries governments are increasing the rate hike and started to reduce the cash flow liquidity. Okay, that is a major thing. And if inflation is rising in US more, that can cause recession as well. That is the biggest news we want to see. So that the market is falling here. Okay, the market is falling before the recession comes. That is the point we want to look here. If recession comes also, don't worry, the market won't fall much. It's already fallen here. Okay, that's what we want to see here. And one more thing I want to show you here. See, if you see the Nifty graph for one day, it is 0.4% loss, and 3 days it's almost 3.16% loss. In the last month it is a 5% loss. Okay, recent times is lost more, right? In the last 6 months, 7.958% loss. When we see year to date, 13% loss. The last 1 year, it is the same 2.48%. When we see 5 years, you can see a green here is 59.72% profit, means almost 60% profit. What is telling here with this graph? When you invest in equities for a long term, definitely you will get a good income here. Okay, that's point I want to show. That too it is in only index, not the particular shares. Okay, if you pick a particular good shares, you will get more than that. And I'm showing an index itself. In a 5 years, you might get a 60% profit. That too, we are in a very lower market now. The prices, the almost so much loss we can see. After that, only we got 60% of the last 5 years. Okay, when you see a max, it's showing from almost 99. It's almost 1,616.83% profit when you invest from the 1999. When we calculate that, for example, I invested 20,000 at the time, and almost it increased 1,617%. With that, the present value when we invest, it is 3,23,40,000. It is a good amount, really. It is just we keep an index and we sleep at the time for this many years, almost 23 years, you will get this much amount. If you invest in real estate also, you might get this much or lesser than, because you compare that amount only 20,000. If you invest at the time, if you invest in gold or any land, compare with the land if you have invested at the time, compare with the things, it is a good amount you can earn here. Okay, in share market, but don't go into panic situation. The market can fall further from here, but I think so not much. It can go from 15,000, it is around 15,293. It can fall up to 40,500 at max, and you can see a good return from. If you invest now, you can see a good return from 2 years, from here to 2 years. Within 5 years, definitely you can double your amount. I hope so. Okay, that's what I want to say about the market. Go to the market news here. Here, stock market highlights. Sensex shares nearly 4,000 points in 6 days, and Nifty cracks below 15,300 as market continues to fall. Biggest losers of this week is ONGC, Tech Mahindra, Hindalco, Wipro, Tata Steel. These are all the companies we have. And coming to the shares, we want to discuss today's how it performed different stocks: Titan, Bharti Airtel, Delta Crop, and more. Key stocks that moved most in June 17. Okay, what happened? We'll see. Titan, Titan of the jeweler maker ends 6.06% lower today. Okay, when we see the Titan price, it falls 6.09%. It is a good company. Why did it fall? We want to check in that. And we want to see one more stock, Delta Corp. It's a gaming company, a wholly owned online poker and rummy gaming firm of casino operated Delta Corp. Okay, gaming company. On June 16, filed and red dropped hearing RHP, we call as RHP, with the Securities and Exchanging Board of India of rupees 550 crore initial public offering, means IPO. They're going to come with an IPO, Delta Crop, which is a gaming company. It is going to come with an IPO. With that news, we already have a share, Delta Crop share. It increased 12.57% today with that news. And come to other stocks. Gujarat Gas it is gas company ended 2.7% lower and falling 4% intraday after credit issues said that the company may face margin pressure and maintain its underperform rating on its stock. Okay, if you have a Gujarat Gas, please look into it. It is having a margin pressure, so that please go through the company and try to avoid the company. And coming to Bharti Airtel, Bharti Airtel remains marked to buy idea, said Macquarie. However, the stock movement today was not reflective on the optimism shown by Macquarie. The telecoms split closed 1.54% lower at 44. Yet Macquarie is saying that positive on Bharti Airtel, it is a good buy actually. When we see on telecom sector, the two leading companies are Reliance, that is Jio, and Bharti Airtel. Every month their subscribe members are increasing, and we can see a Vodafone Idea subscribers are decreasing in every month. So please avoid who are having a share in Vodafone Idea. Please avoid that share. Okay, I want to say that. And coming to Adani Total Gas, today is 9.70% lower. It hits here. That is a major news from Adani Total Gas share. So now 8.48% down today. And coming to the sectors, at this point of time, almost all experts are saying that banking sector is the safest pick to invest at the present situation, and oil and gas sector also. It is not a safest, but we can see an upside. The stocks can give a good profits from here. They said, according to me, I am preferring only banking sector at the present situation. I don't know much about the oil and gas sector here stocks. I went through here, and we have a few stocks: HOEC, Chennai Petro, Reliance, IGL, and few stocks here, ONGC, all the stocks here. Most of them we have are government stocks. I don't prefer government stocks mainly. And in that, Reliance is a good company. You can pick. It is the safest pick here at this moment. And Reliance has various operations, right? So we have a Jio and petrochemicals, all the different we have. So that I prefer Reliance at the moment. When we come to here, money control, in that top picks, most of the brokerages gave IGL as a buy rating most in all the companies. These all are good companies. IGL gave the most. It is one of the company which I am showing in previous. Here you can see IGL here is one of the company oil and gas sector. I don't know why they are preferring the most of the brokers IGL. So please focus on the share IGL, Indraprastha Gas. I don't know much about the share. If you want, you can look into it. I'm not buying the share. You can focus if you want in oil and gas sector. Okay, that's it about this today's news and about the market. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can give more news on the stocks, and I will give more knowledge on the stock market as well. Thank you very much.